In this video, I'll show you how to use Napkin AI to transform your text into professional visuals as a content creator. Let's get started. I'm starting on the home screen where I have several ways to add content, but for this project, I'll select the blank napkin option to start with a fresh page. I'll click on the canvas and paste in my text regarding steps to build an audience. Once the text is in place, I'll highlight the entire block to let the AI analyze the content. Now, I'll click the lightning bolt icon on the left to open the AI suggestions panel. As I scroll through, you can see Napkin generates several different styles like mind maps and flowcharts based on my text. I'll select the funnel style for this draft. After clicking the generated visual icon, I can choose the specific style I want. And once that's selected, I can further choose from different designs within that style to find the perfect layout. Then I can start editing the visual exactly the way I want. I'll begin by clicking the title to change the font for a more modern feel. To gain more control, I'll click the visual and select Ungroup, which allows me to move and edit individual elements freely. I'm going to change the color of the first text box to a vibrant pink and adjust the font for my subheadings to Noto Serif. I can even customize the specific components of the graphic, like changing the color of the funnel rings to match my brand's palette. Finally, I'll click the download icon in the top right. I'll select the PNG format and save the final image to my device. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI for content creators.